Have you ever stopped to ponder the true essence of our existence? What if the secrets lie within our own DNA? Our story begins with the remarkable molecule known as DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. It's the genetic code of life, the blueprint that guides the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms. The elegance of its structure, the double helix, was unveiled in the mid-20th century by James Watson and Francis Crick with the invaluable contribution of Rosalind Franklin. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of life, shedding light on the mesmerizing spiral staircase that holds the key to our biological essence. Ancient civilizations, however, may have left behind clues suggesting an understanding of genetics long before our time. As we journey into this fascinating world, we will uncover tales of the Anunnaki, explore the secrets of telomeres, and delve into DNA repair mechanisms. As we delve deeper, we find that our DNA might hold more secrets than we could ever imagine. Our exploration takes a fascinating turn when we encounter the mysterious Anunnaki. Emerging from the ancient clay tablets of Sumer, the oldest known civilization, comes the enigmatic tale of the Anunnaki. These beings, as the Sumerian texts recount, were not of this earth but hailed from a distant planet named Nibiru. Depicted as powerful entities, they supposedly journeyed to our world, their existence intertwined with ours in ways that still perplex us. The Anunnaki are often portrayed in these ancient narratives as those who from heaven to earth came, a phrase that has sparked countless debates among scholars, researchers, and spiritual seekers alike. Some see them as mere mythological figures, while others propose a more literal interpretation, suggesting the Anunnaki were in fact extraterrestrial beings who visited our planet eons ago. Yet the intrigue does not end here. Among the most captivating theories surrounding the Anunnaki is the idea that they may have played a role in the evolution of humanity itself. Some propose that these celestial visitors went beyond mere contact and interaction. They suggest that the Anunnaki, through their advanced knowledge and capabilities, possibly even genetically engineered the human race. This audacious theory implies that we in our current form may be the result of such otherworldly intervention. However, it's important to remember that these are just theories, fascinating as they may be. Concrete scientific evidence supporting the claim of extraterrestrial genetic engineering is yet to be found. Nevertheless, the Anunnaki narrative, steeped in mystery and speculation, continues to captivate us. It invites us to question, to explore, and to wonder about our origins, our evolution, and our place in the cosmos. What if we are not alone in the universe? What if our existence is part of a grand cosmic play, influenced by beings beyond our comprehension? These questions, triggered by the Anunnaki enigma, thrust us into a profound exploration of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Whether myth or reality, the Anunnaki narrative pushes us to question our origins and the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention. From ancient beings, we move to the guardians of our genetic legacy, the telomeres. These are not mythical creatures or divine entities, but rather, they are tiny structures located at the very ends of our chromosomes. Acting like the plastic tips of shoelaces, they prevent our genetic material from fraying and degrading. They are the unsung heroes of our biological existence, maintaining the stability and integrity of our DNA. Now, imagine telomeres as a kind of biological clock. Yes, a clock that ticks not by the hour, but by the cell division. Each time a cell divides, its telomeres get a little bit shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes inactive or senescent or dies. This process is associated with aging, cancer, and a higher risk of death. So the length of your telomeres is a good indicator of your health and lifespan. But let's not get too melancholic here. The good news is that we have an enzyme called telomerase that can add bits back to the end of the telomeres, helping to slow down or even reverse this process. It's like a mechanic who continually services the clock, ensuring it runs smoothly for as long as possible. However, the workings of telomerase are complex and not yet fully understood. It's a delicate balance. Too much telomerase can lead to uncontrolled cell growth, a hallmark of most cancers. Too little can lead to premature aging and an array of genetic disorders. As we delve deeper into the world of telomeres and telomerase, we enter a realm of profound potential. Understanding how to safely manipulate these biological structures could unlock the secrets to prolonged health and longevity. It's an exciting prospect, one that bridges the ancient past with the cutting-edge present, intertwining our inherited genetic legacy with the future of scientific discovery. As we unravel the secrets of telomeres, we begin to understand the intricacies of aging and longevity. Our journey into the depths of DNA and its mysteries brings us face to face with some ethical dilemmas. As we delve deeper into the realm of genetics, we encounter a poignant question. Should we manipulate our genetic code? With the advancement in science, we've gained the ability to tweak the very fabric of our existence, but at what cost? The ethics of genetic manipulation is a complex terrain, laden with potential benefits and risks. On one hand, genetic manipulation holds the promise of eradicating genetic disorders, enhancing human capabilities, and even extending our lifespan. Imagine a world free of diseases like Huntington's or cystic fibrosis, where each child is born with the promise of a healthy life. Picture humans with enhanced cognitive abilities, or the ability to resist diseases that currently plague us. The allure is undeniable. However, this same power also presents us with some daunting ethical concerns. If we start editing our genes, where do we draw the line? Should we only correct disease-causing mutations, or should we also enhance desirable traits? And who gets to decide what is desirable? The risk of creating a divide between those who can afford genetic enhancements and those who can't is a real concern. We may unintentionally pave the way for a new kind of discrimination, a genetic divide. Moreover, we must consider the potential unforeseen consequences. Our genetic code is a result of millions of years of evolution. Each gene, each mutation has a role to play, often in ways we don't fully understand. Changing one aspect of this complex network could have far-reaching implications, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of our biological systems. In the end, the question isn't just about what we can do, but what we should do. As we stand on this precipice, looking out at the possibilities and perils, it's clear that the interplay of genetics and human existence is a dance of science, ethics, and wonder. As we wade through these complexities, we must tread with caution, respect, and a profound sense of responsibility. The interplay of genetics and human existence is a dance of science, ethics, and wonder. Now imagine immersing yourself in these mysteries, exploring the realms of DNA, the Anunnaki, and telomeres. This is your invitation to embark on a captivating journey through the fabric of our existence. A journey that will take you through the enigmatic tales of the Anunnaki, the secrets of telomeres, and the intricate world of DNA repair mechanisms. This is the comprehensive course offered by the Kemetic University titled Unraveling DNA Mysteries, Anunnaki, Telomeres, and DNA Repair. This interdisciplinary adventure blends the study of genetics, ancient civilizations, and cutting-edge science to provide a unique perspective on the mysteries of human existence. It starts with the foundation of modern genetics, DNA. This molecule, a mesmerizing spiral staircase, holds the key to our biological essence. Its discovery in the mid-20th century revolutionized our understanding of life itself. In this course, you'll delve deep into the structure and function of DNA, uncovering how genetic information is stored, replicated, and passed down through generations. But the journey doesn't stop there. You'll traverse the realm of ancient civilizations, particularly the Sumerians, and their intriguing tales of the Anunnaki. These powerful beings, believed to have come to Earth from another planet, are said to have played a role in shaping humanity. Could they have had knowledge of genetics? Have they left their mark in our DNA? These are just some of the questions that you'll ponder as you explore the Anunnaki enigma. The course then takes you to the guardians of our genetic legacy, telomeres. These protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes play a crucial role in aging and the maintenance of genetic stability. Understanding telomeres is like deciphering the biological clock that governs our lifespan. The intricate connection between telomeres and aging, the mechanisms that safeguard our genetic heritage, and the potential for manipulating these mechanisms will be unveiled during this part of the course. Finally, it's time to confront the ethical implications of genetic manipulation. As we gain more knowledge about our DNA, the possibilities of manipulating it increases. But should we? Can we? What are the ethical boundaries that we need to set? These are the questions that will challenge you as you explore the interplay of genetics and human existence. This journey is not just about learning, it's about understanding ourselves better, about pondering our origins, and about exploring the potential of our existence. It's about asking questions, seeking answers, and embracing the mysteries of our DNA. So, are you ready to delve deep into these mysteries? Are you ready to explore your genetic heritage? to ponder the enigmatic Anunnaki and to unravel the secrets of telomeres. Join us on this profound exploration as we journey through the mysteries of our existence, unraveling the secrets hidden in our DNA.